My people, so sorry about that out there. I need to start back this thing here. Huh? Yeah. Okay. This is the fat guy here, you see? And I have lots of people now coming up from the waterfall here. Look, them little fellas. First my place, cheese. Cheese for the camera, please. And you all keep walking. And that is them also that going out there. From Paria Waterfall. This is today Sunday. And oh man, my lord. Look at more people. Let me take them out. Everyone. Yes, thank you. Okay. And there's the person going back there from the waterfall in Paria. And there's some more here to tell you also. Thank you. They're nice people. Look at how nice some people is. That is whoever there. Okay. Good afternoon and still want to go back. Nice. This is a beautiful young lady I meet on each. Somebody am I there up in front there? Yeah man. Right. This is look at. Yeah right. Cool. Yeah man. Peace. Yes. Truth. Thanks sir. Everybody. Yes. Okay. Princess, you are not the waterfall. Yes. Paria Waterfall was people on hike on the trail to go. Nice. And this is them. Right. And we all on our journey, you know. Yes, everything was being started perfectly. Right, we're going up there, right? Somebody on my car, boy. Wait us. Yeah, me don't play my car too, you know. But what done? I got my car full, you know. Oh. Thank you. Sorry, Trinidad and Tobago people. This is Aliyah here, Kendall there. Let me right now. And Savi and this one. I stand them up in the front already. Wait this. Look. Right, good. Thank you. Let's go. We all are on the same trail to reach to the waterfall from Paria. Never forget my please. Right. I am in the back. Hamidong as a news reporter. This is the trail. This is the pure nature trail. You see the ground there? How the leaf and thing. Watch how nice all those things. See? Right, nice. While I walk in, it will be showing kind of, but if I stop and show them a little how it is. Very nice. Rastaman in the front. Alright, we go in. Okay, nice. We start. Yeah, all over again. My drink of vodka here. This is in the glass. My car, everything. Thank you. This is my people here. Scott. Yeah, this is Aliyah. Yeah, she stopped waiting for her. This is all. Okay. You could walk in front and I come in and I want to make sure everybody. Okay, yes. Click. Thank you. Right. Yeah, it is no lie. Thank you. Yeah, it's approximately a couple miles of the speaker. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah. Yeah, line. This is Aliyah here in Tobago. She's very close. Yes, this is. Yeah. Thank you. Of course, it's Aliyah. Good. The camera right here behind you. How is everybody going up here? Aliyah is into the back waiting, and Aliyah, you need. Thank you. You see, there's fossil below there's a big tree that fall. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah, this is Aliyah passing below here. This is a feat, wonderful feat here. Go up to the upstream part, and this is everyone is. Thank you. Alright, please go in there. Candle there.
Let's keep up with the pace.
Alright, but all you have to walk faster than me, and I will go my way. I'll go now. Look at you.
Gotta make sure we cameraman here too because you know we
right
can't
there.
miss out on this now.
Them camera shots at the ring. Life fucking low.
You like fucking Luna? I seen you. Down there you are. This is a layer here. Below some bamboo, some lovely bamboos there. That is over our head. Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
This was the director.
Yeah, you know, yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you, right? Good. Aliana mother is into the front there, followed by Kendall by the friend and Caro, and director is Martin, whatever. And we all are midway towards Paria Bay Waterfall. Scottish. Okay. Right. Yeah. Alright. Yes. Yeah. Rastaman and them isn't up to the front there, and so far we cannot meet up with them because we all was very sorry about being so slow on our trip towards Paria Bay Waterfall, which we all was hiking. This is this more here. He have his, yes, everything was needed. Good. Okay. Yeah. And look, Savian was no up to the end. Right. Was coming down here. You see it have a lovely water stream here. I don't know if you all can see this thing. I want to show you all this thing more seriously. Alright, this is Scaro up here. Alia and her mother. And we all are heading to Paria Bay Waterfall. Right? Sorry, my ladies and gentlemen, you can't see my face at all because I'm the director. Okay. I'm very sorry. This is Alia's mom here, right? Closer. Everyone, there's your friend there. There's a Caribbean on there.
Everyone, sorry about the inconvenience, but we'll have to save our battery until we reach by the
Exactly.
fall. So, we'll get the rest of it when we reach by the
Let's
fall.
switch it off.
Come on, switch it off. I think you just when we reach by the fall.